Like I'm really projecting my workplace persona here. Fucking get in the zone, really just drive it home, make it good. Hi, this is video 1 of 5 of True Foundations for folks that want to learn how to sew. So in the first 5 videos that I'm already making after the big exciting launch is going to teach you how to take a sewing machine from the very first step and making it functional so that you can start on your journey to making something great. Well, let's get started. What you do on YouTube, they just like really drive that home, just like, yeah, we're gonna fucking do it. Yeah, yeah. We'll figure it out. We'll get there.
Okay, so we're going to go over the 5 basic things you're going to need to actually start sewing physically. You will, of course, need a sewing machine. You will need a spool of thread, a bobbin, a presser foot, and a needle. So we'll go over the spool of thread first. This is what's going to tie all of your fabric together. You can get it in cotton, different kinds of blends, different kinds of strengths depending on the project that you're working on. The bobbin is an empty version of that spool of thread. You actually wind that up yourself and put it underneath of the needle, and it behaves the same way, just upside down. Then you have your presser foot. This is going to make the fabric behave as you're pulling it underneath the needle. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, also the shape of this could vary. And then you have the needle. There are different kinds of needles too, but we're going to go ahead and work with a standard issue needle. It's not going to be fancy for like silk or anything. This is an all-purpose, easily achievable needle to use. Also, just one thing that I really want to drive home is before we do anything in the foundational videos, make sure that your machine is turned off because we want everybody to be safe and having a good time, and I definitely want to relieve myself of any liability if somebody were to get hurt. Now, the reason that you're getting a really beautiful, higher quality version of my voice without my face is because I recorded this on the first half of my scheduled day, and my camera died halfway through. So as I was waiting for the camera to charge, the battery that is, I completely forgot I was waiting for that. And then when the light bulb went off, the whole entire day was gone. I didn't have any spoons left. So I figured this would be a little bit more direct and to the point, just the essential information to get everything started. So if you enjoyed this video or you kind of like the format, if you like the way I carry on, because there's clearly a feedback coming from my microphone, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at SewAnything424, on Twitter at TheBumblebunch1, and then check out our Facebook page as well. And don't forget to do whatever comes after that. Keep an eye out for the next video. It's going to be number 2, going over inserting the needle into the machine. Thanks so much for watching.